Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see the solution of this question, remove element. If suppose an array is given and there is an element that is given, we just have to remove those element from the array and return this array. So let us get started. So as you can see, this is the given array and this is the given element. So our expected output is something like this. So we have to return the same array, but we have to remove this element. So suppose 3 is there in the first, in the 0th index, so we have to remove it. Again, it will check for 1, it's okay. Then again 3 is there, we have to remove that also. Then again, it will check till the last element, and till here we are going to remove all the 3 that has come in between. But after this, whatever element was there in the original array, we have to keep it as it is. We don't have to touch it since we are returning the same array. Okay. So we can solve this question again with two-pointer technique. For that, we will have an pointer called let x is equals to 0. And the second pointer is going to iterate through this array. For that, we need a loop. Let I is equals to 0, I less than array dot length, and I plus plus. Inside of this, we are just going to check if array of I is not equals to this element. Then what we are going to do is, we are going to do array of x is equals to array of a. Since this condition means this element should not be equals to 3. If it is not equals to 3, we just give the value of array of x as that particular element. And then we are going to increment x so that the value of x keeps incrementing. And then we can just console our new array and check. So you can see the expected output is same as what we have got. We have removed all the 3's from the original arrays till here, and from here we are not touching these elements that are already given. So yes, this was the solution for this question. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.